The hidden war between automation and human expertise. Automation is accelerating. AI writes code. C/CD pipelines deploy automatically. Monitoring systems detect issues in real time. But a quiet tension is growing. Beneath this progress lies a deeper shift. Entry barriers are falling as automation increases, tools become easier, execution becomes faster. So where does human expertise fit? Human value is moving up the stack. The value shifts upward, from doing tasks to defining systems, from executing steps to evaluating outcomes. Automation compresses lower skills, routine work gets automated. Automation expands upper skills: design, architecture, strategic thinking. Two career trajectories: professionals who stay at the task level feel threatened. Professionals who move into system design feel amplified. This is not humans versus machines, this is a redefinition of human value. What automation really does? Automation removes repetition. It elevates judgment. The quiet advantage: the people who adapt early move ahead quietly.